guys, today I have my Lunar Beauty box. Yay! This is the half moon box. It was the medium box. So he had like the mystery boxes, like a little one, a medium one, and a large one. The medium one was called the half moon one, and I just had to get my hands on it because if you saw my review on Moonspell, which I'll put around here, I freaking love the palette, okay? I love it, the formula, everything. He killed it. So I was like, I need to try more of his things, you know? So when he did this and he said he was gonna at least include a palette in each one, I just knew I had to grab one up. So I got the medium one. We're gonna dive into this together. I was out at the parks today, so I'm not like full makeup glam today, but I am just so excited to open this, and I have a mystery box from Jeffree Star, so I'll probably have that up on my channel at the same time. I'm just super excited to actually see what the hell's in these boxes. I was like, I'm just gonna sit down and film. Done. So let's jump into it. This is what the box came like. It's a pretty big box. When I saw how big it was, I was like, damn. And we're just gonna see what's in here together. So first thing in here is one of his highlights, and this is called Moon Prism Powders. So let's go ahead and I don't know what. Okay, yeah, you do open it that way. Okay, so the packaging is super cute. I have seen these around, and the shade that I got is Jupiter. So hopefully it's something that's pretty wearable. Oh, it's kind of like a copper shade, so not as wearable as I would think, but I think I would use this more as like a blush or a topper. Let's go ahead and test it out a little bit just to play with some makeup. Ugh, if I can reach for my brush across this. I think this would look better for dark skin, like more darker complexions, and I would use this more as like a blush just by the shade. It's a little dark for my skin, and we're just gonna test this out right here. See how it looks as a blush, because I don't have nothing hardly on my face. So yeah, I think that this is cute as a blush. Like I said, if I had darker complexion, I think I might use this more as a highlight, but I don't, so there's that. So yeah, just a nice little glow right there. And so it does work really nicely as a blush for me. So yeah, super cute, and we'll be using as a blush. Next thing in here is the Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in Dreamsicle, which I'm so excited to try, like his lip formula. It looks super nice. If I can open this up. Okay, so the packaging is so cute. It has the little like diamond on the top. And this is Dreamsicle. It is, ooh, she is a beautiful coral, like a bright coral. And it smells like candy, I want to say. It doesn't smell like vanilla, but candy. And then the next thing that I see is another, I see it in here, I can't even talk. The next thing that I see in here is another liquid lipstick, and this is from his, what is it called? I think it was like Medusa or something similar to that. And this is Aphrodite. So this is another liquid lipstick. And this one is more of the gold packaging with also the little diamond on the top. So that's super cute. And let's see what Aphrodite looks like. So Aphrodite is like a blood red. So that's very, very pretty too. So like that. And then I see another one, and this is a lip gloss. So this is an Enchantment, and oh my god, this is, oh wait, this didn't come in my mystery box. I actually ordered this separate. I'm like getting all excited. I'm like, oh my god, I got this. I actually did order this as like a separate thing just so I could get free shipping. So so this is the shade Enchantment. I was like going overboard there, but I actually ordered this extra, so it's not part of the mystery box, but that is so pretty. I had seen it online and I wanted it, so I went ahead and added it to my cart, and that way I got free shipping. So that is super, super pretty. It has like pink and purpley reflexes in it. So just remember that lip gloss is not part of this box. So next thing that I see in here is a little jewelry box. So I'm thinking it's like some kind of necklace. And this is super cute. It's a little gold necklace and it has a little moon because he loves like Sailor Moon and stuff. So this is something that I would actually wear. And then it actually asked me for my size, which I got medium. And I have no idea what this is. What are these? What are you? Oh, they are pants. So these are the pants. I will definitely wear these around the house. They look super comfy, especially now it's been like more chilly out, and it actually has pockets on the side. So this is really nicely made, and it has this little logo on the inside. I definitely will wear these around the house. This is super cute, and they are like little joggers on the bottom. So that is super adorable. And then, what I've been waiting for is to see I got the Greek Goddess palette. So this is the palette that I got in here, and this is the last product from the mystery box. So, oh, she is pretty. Look at that. His packaging, like the detail that goes into his packaging, I have to say is very, very stunning. The moon spell is like mind-boggling. And this, oh, these are pretty. This is something definitely up my alley, something that I will use. An everyday kind of neutral palette, very, very pretty. So yeah, and knowing that I love his formula, I'm just excited to have another palette of his. So yeah, so whoop, whoop, got the Greek Goddess. And so in total, I got the Greek Goddess just to, the Prism palette, 2 liquid lipsticks, the little necklace, and the jogger pants. So that was everything that was in the mystery box, and then I bought this separately. So I think that the mystery box is really, really good. I would definitely, if you had another one, like get it, because I love his palettes. So hopefully he will do more of these. I think that this is really nice. And I love the fact that all of his palettes are things that gravitate more towards me, that I feel like I could use, like the color stories of them. So yeah, let me know down below, what do you guys think of this? Which mystery box did you get? Were you excited? Was it a fail for you? I'd love to hear back from you down below. Follow me on Instagram down below if you want to know me on social media. And yeah, I would love for you guys to give this a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.